ठीक है, आवाज़ ठीक है, okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now today we are going to study another concept of quantum mechanics, that is the probability current. Now you know probability is to find a particle in certain state in a given volume. Now what I have written here, rho d tau is small volume element and rho is the probability density, and if you multiply probability, well, probability density means probability of finding a particle in a unit volume. But if you are not working with a unit volume, you are working with a volume d tau, then you will multiply probability density with d tau. This is d tau, which is dx, dy, dz, and rho rt means psi star rt, psi rt. And this is the probability of finding a particle in the volume element d tau. Now, this thing is integrated over the total volume. That is, you divide the volume in small volume elements, find the probability density in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, and then add them, meaning integrate them. The total probability is always 1. Total probability is always 1. Now what I have done, I have written rho, which is psi star psi. No problem, you can write psi rt or don't write it, is understood that psi is function of position and time. If you are working in 3 dimensions, then it is psi r vector t, and if you are working in 1 dimension, then it is psi xt. Now this is the probability density, that is probability of finding a particle in a unit volume. I have differentiated it. This is u and that is v. So what I have done, by u into v, I have differentiated this, derivative of this into this, plus this into derivative of that. ठीक है, आवाज आ रही?